Hi everyone. Well, this is a big bunch of bananas off my homegrown palm, and I really need to do something with them. As you can see, I've got some more riper ones here which I'll probably make a banana cake with, or several. Probably just freeze those bananas. Up here in the middle we've got some ripe but not as ripe as those ones. So these ones here I'm going to look at dehydrating. So that's what we're going to look at today. Okay, so I've removed all the bananas off the stem and put them into piles. So these back ones here, they are ready for cooking or using in like smoothies. So I'll probably use them in banana cakes and things. These ones here, they are still quite firm for eating, so they're not too bad, but probably a bit too ripe for dehydrating. This is going to be my dehydrating pile. They're more on the not so ripe side of things. You don't want really ripe fruit for dehydrating. And these are the ones that are left to ripen. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm slicing the bananas with a stainless steel knife that helps to stop them browning. And once I've sliced them, I'm using this just lemon juice. That's just ordinary lemon juice. You can use lemons if you've got lemons. I've actually put some into a little container here which has got a little sprayer on it, and what I do is I just spray these. This helps to keep them white. And what I do now is I turn them upside down onto the trays, so like this. So those there that I've just sprayed, that's the side I sprayed, I'll turn that over. Continue putting them in, and then when I've finished, I get the spray again and just spray over them all, so that both sides get sprayed. When you've done a tray full, just pop them into your dehydrator and turn it on and start it. That way they're not sitting around, and they might as well just be starting to dehydrate and just keep adding as you've got more. Now, just while these are still dehydrating, while they're still warm and getting done, I'm just peeling them off here so they don't stick like rock to my trays, and just peeling them off and turning them up the other way. Otherwise, once they're dry, I might have a bit of a problem. So they've been drying now for about 3 hours, and they sort of feel dry but rubbery still, so I know they're not done yet. This is what your bananas look like once they're dried. And they should be firm, hard, crispy. If I do a little test on the stovetop here, you can hear them. Right, your bananas need to be stored into an airtight container. I'm going to use a vacuum sealing bag, and I'm just going to vacuum seal mine. But you can use whatever you've got available. That could be a jar, or even a Ziploc bag will keep them for some time. Okay, they're all in the machine ready to vacuum. And that's them, all vacuum sealed. Now you can just store those in your cupboard, away from light and heat, and they should keep for quite some time. These make excellent snacks for children's lunch boxes, or if you're doing tramping, anything like that. They make a delicious snack.